This is a new 2015 Ford C-Max Energy. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a continuously variable transmission. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Sunrise Ford of North Hollywood is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5500 Lankershim Boulevard, North Hollywood, California, 91601.